Gusto mo ba ng glass skin na parang filter pero in real life? Ang problema mo ay dark spots, dull skin, oily face, at visible pores? Same tayo. Pero simula nang gamitin ko ang Glowing Radiance 24K Gold Crystal Niacinamide Face and Body Soap, ibang level ang glow. May 24K gold crystals that can give you the radiant glow that you truly deserve. Niacinamide and glycerin para mag-lighten ang dark spots at acne marks. Nakaka-minimize ng pores at kontrolado ang oiliness. And look at the 24K gold crystals inside. Ang ganda. Very quality talaga ang product. The good thing about this product, nakaka-smooth, nakaka-brighten, at hindi malagkit sa balat. Lalo na naparating na naman ang summer. After ilang weeks kong gamitin, mas even na ang aking skin tone, mas smooth at mas fresh. Kaya kung gusto mo rin ng glowing, radiant skin, try mo na ang Glowing Radiance 24K Gold Crystal Niacinamide Face and Body Soap.